Hello, my name is Bart Staub, and I'm here today with Dr. Partop Chauhan, and we're speaking about Jiva Vedic psychology. Hello, and welcome, Dr. Chauhan.
Hello.
Nowadays, we hear a lot about diseases that are called autoimmune or functional disorders like IBS or fibromyalgia. In the modern science, there is no root cause or origin of these diseases. How does Ayurveda see these diseases and how are they treated?
A very interesting question, very nice question, because this is one of my favorite subjects. In Jiva Ayurveda, we deal with a lot of people who are suffering from autoimmune diseases. And you very rightly said that they don't know the cause, which doesn't mean that there is no cause. There is a cause, but they don't know. And still, a lot of people go to these, so-called modern medical specialists, and they come up with some names, some very interesting names like, Asperger's syndrome or Gilbert's syndrome or this disease and that disease. See, if you don't know the cause, and of course there is no treatment, so what's the use of this name? You can call it New York syndrome. It won't change anything. The disease will still remain the same. But talking about Ayurveda, we in Ayurveda always try to look for the root cause of the problem. What is the cause? And in all these disorders, I can very confidently say now, because in Jiva, we have documented so many cases. We have a huge database of patients suffering from autoimmune disorders, also so-called functional syndromes like IBS or fibromyalgia, very fancy names, very nice names. People come up with these names. I have IBS. Okay, what does it mean? They don't know. They say my intestines are confused. Sometimes there is constipation, sometimes there is diarrhea. Okay, the word confused is a very nice word. So you have to just use your intelligence. Why my bowels, why my colon, my intestines are confused? The confusion comes from the mind. When mind is confused, the body is confused, your immune system is confused. And why the mind is confused? Because so much stress, so much mental problems, trauma, emotional problems. That's what leads to all these diseases. The solution is Jiva Vedic psychology, of course, because you have to reach to the bottom. You have to reach to the root of the problem. And not only just reach there, you have to solve the problem. And in order to solve the problem, you have to have some program. So that's what we do in Jiva Vedic psychology program. At physical level, we use a lot of Ayurvedic, herbs. We use Ayurvedic treatments, the Panchakarma treatments, the detoxification. At the mental level, we do psychotherapy. We do help people. We have sessions where we will talk to them, understand where is the problem, and help them come out of this problem. And of course, we have the spiritual part where we really, make people understand what is their real identity and how they can really be themselves and have the real happiness in their life.